Did you know AI is revolutionizing how people earn money? With the right tools, you can make $5,000 a month in 2025 starting today. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 5 AI tools that can turn you into an earning machine. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button because things are about to get interesting. Alright, kicking things off with a bang. AI tool number 1 is ChatGPT, and let me tell you, this is not your average chatbot. This AI is built on a large language model, generating human-quality text in seconds. But how does that translate to earning money? Imagine needing an engaging blog post about the future of cryptocurrency. Instead of spending hours researching and writing, you feed some prompts to ChatGPT and boom, it generates a well-written, informative article ready to be published. And it's not just blog posts. ChatGPT can handle emails, social media captions, even code. This opens up opportunities for freelance writing, content creation, even customer support roles, all powered by AI. Think about it. Businesses are constantly searching for engaging content and efficient communication. With ChatGPT, you become a one-person content machine, delivering high-quality work at lightning speed. The best part? There's a free version you can try out right now. So head over to the ChatGPT website and start experimenting. Up next, we're diving into Jasper AI, a tool specifically designed for crafting killer marketing copy. Moving on to AI tool number 2, we have Jasper AI, a game changer for anyone looking to level up their marketing and sales game. Jasper AI is designed to help you create high-converting copy effortlessly. Imagine having an AI copywriter on demand, available 24/7, churning out persuasive ad copy, engaging website content, and compelling sales emails that actually convert. Jasper AI can handle it all, making your marketing efforts more efficient and effective. That's Jasper in a nutshell. It's like having a professional copywriter at your fingertips. Now, Jasper isn't just about replacing human copywriters, it's about enhancing your creative process. Think of it as your secret weapon for overcoming writer's block, brainstorming new ideas, and fine-tuning your messaging to resonate with your target audience. Jasper helps you stay ahead of the curve. Let's say you're launching a new product and need a killer ad campaign. Feed Jasper some key details, the product benefits, target audience, desired tone and watch, as it generates multiple variations of ad copy, headlines, and even calls to action. This allows you to test different approaches and find what works best. And the best part? Jasper is built to understand different platforms and formats. So whether you're writing a Facebook ad, a long-form blog post, or even a video script like this one, Jasper has got you covered. It adapts to your needs, ensuring your content is always top-notch. To give you a better idea, I've actually used Jasper to create some sample marketing materials, and the results are pretty impressive. The quality and effectiveness of the content speak for themselves. As you can see, Jasper isn't just some gimmick, it's a powerful tool that can elevate your marketing efforts and ultimately drive more sales. The potential is limitless. Up next, we're diving into the world of AI video generation with Synthesia. Stay tuned. We're now moving on to AI tool number 3. And this one is a game changer for anyone who's ever felt intimidated by the idea of being on camera. If you've ever found yourself shying away from the lens, feeling the pressure of performing perfectly, or simply not having the time and resources to produce high-quality video content, then this tool is for you. Get ready for Synthesia, the AI video creation platform that lets you create professional-looking videos with AI avatars. This revolutionary tool is designed to make video creation accessible to everyone, regardless of their experience or comfort level with being on camera. Think about it. Video is king in the content world, but creating high-quality videos can be time-consuming, expensive, and let's be honest, a little nerve-wracking if you're not comfortable being in front of the camera. The traditional video production process often involves a lot of equipment, a dedicated team, and a significant amount of time. That's where Synthesia comes in. It eliminates the need for all that hassle and makes video creation as simple as writing a script. This tool lets you choose from a diverse cast of AI avatars, customize their appearance, and have them speak your script in a natural, human-like voice. You can tweak their expressions, gestures, and even their accents to match your brand's tone perfectly. Imagine creating engaging explainer videos, product demos, or even personalized video messages without ever having to hit record. The possibilities are endless and the results are always professional. That's the power of Synthesia. It brings the magic of AI to your fingertips, allowing you to produce high-quality content effortlessly. And the best part? You don't need any fancy equipment or video editing skills. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or a complete beginner, Synthesia's user-friendly interface makes it easy to create stunning videos with just a few clicks. Synthesia's intuitive interface makes it easy to create stunning videos with just a few clicks. You simply type in your script, choose your avatar, and let the AI do the rest. The AI avatars are incredibly realistic, and the voice synthesis is so natural it's hard to believe it's not a real person. The technology behind Synthesia ensures that your videos are not only visually appealing but also engaging and authentic. You can use it to create engaging content for your social media, website, or even online courses. The versatility of Synthesia makes it a valuable tool for marketers, educators, and anyone looking to enhance their digital presence. Up next, we're diving into the world of AI-powered design with Adobe Firefly. Stay tuned to discover how this tool can transform your creative process. Let's be real. Not all of us are design gurus. Many of us struggle with the complexities of design software and the nuances of graphic design. But in today's visually driven world, having eye-catching graphics is essential. Whether it's for social media, marketing, or personal projects, good design can make a huge difference. That's where AI tool number 4 comes in. Adobe Firefly, the AI-powered design tool that makes professional-level design accessible to everyone. It's like having a personal designer at your disposal. We're talking about generating stunning images, logos, even entire web page layouts, all with the help of AI. The possibilities are endless. Imagine typing in a prompt like "create a futuristic logo for a tech startup" and having Firefly generate multiple options in seconds. It's that simple and efficient. The beauty of Firefly is its ability to understand natural language. You don't need to learn any special commands or jargon. You don't need to be a Photoshop whiz to use it. Even beginners can create professional quality designs with ease. Simply describe what you want, and Firefly will bring your vision to life. It's like having a conversation with your design tool. And it's not just about creating static images. Firefly's capabilities go far beyond that. Firefly can also generate animations, textures, and even 3D models, opening up a whole new world of creative possibilities. Imagine the potential for your projects. Think about it. You no longer need to spend hours learning complicated design software or shelling out big bucks for expensive templates. Firefly simplifies the entire process. With Firefly, you have the power of a professional design team right at your fingertips. It's like having a creative partner who never sleeps. Firefly is a game changer for anyone who needs to create visually appealing content. Whether you're a blogger, entrepreneur, or social media manager, it democratizes design. Up next, we're journeying into the world of AI art generation with Midjourney. Stay tuned for more exciting tools that can transform your creative process. Alright, we've arrived at AI tool number 5, and this one is for all the creatives out there. Get ready for Midjourney, the AI art generator that's taking the digital art world by storm. We're talking about creating stunning, one-of-a-kind pieces of art, all powered by artificial intelligence. Imagine typing in a prompt like a surreal landscape painting with floating islands and neon trees and having Midjourney generate multiple variations of your vision, each more breathtaking than the last. And the best part? You don't need to be a trained artist to use Midjourney. If you can imagine it, you can create it. This opens up a world of possibilities for anyone who's ever wanted to express their creativity through art. Midjourney isn't just about creating pretty pictures, it's about unlocking a new form of artistic expression, and even turning your creations into a source of income. Think about it. You can sell your Midjourney art prints on platforms like Etsy, use them to create unique merchandise, or even offer your skills as an AI art generator for hire. So, there you have it. 5 incredible AI tools that can help you boost your income and achieve financial freedom in 2025 and beyond. We've covered a lot of ground today, from AI writing assistants to AI art generators, and it's clear that these tools are not just a fad, they're here to stay. Imagine using ChatGPT to supercharge your writing productivity, Jasper AI to craft marketing copy that converts, Synthesia to create professional-looking videos without ever stepping in front of a camera, Adobe Firefly to design stunning visuals, and Midjourney to bring your artistic visions to life. The future is about working smarter, not harder, and these AI tools are the key to unlocking new levels of efficiency, creativity, and income potential. So don't get left behind. Embrace the power of AI and start building the future you deserve. If you found these tools helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more actionable tips.